The brush holder consists of the metal brush holder, the plastic mount, and the brush tension spring. With this style of brush holder assembly, there is a right hand and a left hand holder, so make sure you order the correct one or one of each when making your repair. If the motor is overloaded, the brush holder, plastic mount, or tension spring can be damaged, requiring the assembly to be replaced. Replacing the brush holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. Next, I'll remove the brush. I'll pull the brush spring back and then tip the drill to dump the brush from the holder. Now I'll remove the wires from the brush holder. The brush holder is secured to the housing with a single screw. And now I can remove the brush holder. Now I can install the new brush holder. I'll align it with the housing and slide it into place. Then I'll secure it with the screw. Next, I'll reinstall the wires. Now I'll reinstall the brush. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear housing. And that's how easy it is to install a new brush holder in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.